how to buy cryptocurrency from your bank account to Binance. Direct method. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Martha Cameron. If it's your very first time, kindly subscribe and like this video. Turn on that bell notification so you won't miss any. Alright, so you just want to go to your Binance, sign in, go to home, and then you will see so many options right there. There is buy with AED, with Visa or MasterCard, or it will show your currency in depending on the country you're in. All right, so mine is in AED, that is Arab Emirates. Arab. All right, then I'm just showing you, like, you can also use this method, deposit fiat, if you want to deposit fiat. So if you want to deposit fiat, okay, but I want to buy crypto, so I'm going to use crypto, right? This one I'm just showing you. If you wanted to buy fiat, you can just type in the currency that you want, whether it's the euro, whether it's US dollar, or it's the South African rand, or anything that you want, any currency. Anyway, without wasting any of your precious time, I'm just going to go back to buying crypto. All right, so you click on buy with AED or buy with whatever currency that you set your Binance into. Okay, so the minimum for USDT is 70 AED. That is around $21 precisely, $21 precisely. All right, and that's saying the minimum is 70 AED, the maximum is 55,000 AED. So you can choose to either buy set to daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or do a one-time purchase, which I'm going to do a one-time purchase. So you want to, okay, so again, I'm just showing you can do as many currencies as you want. So I'm going to use the AED. I'm going to buy just 80, that's 20.81 USDT. So you're going to you'll have already added your card. If you haven't, then you can add it, or you can choose another payment method, Google Pay, okay, whatever method is available for you. So you click on that, and you have to put in your CVV. If you already added the card, you don't have to put in the card number again. So you just put the CVV, and that's all. You confirm. Alright, after that, they're just less than 5 seconds, so you have to confirm. If they elapse, you'll do it again. It's for security purposes, guys, okay? After that, it's practically done, and it just takes like less than 2 minutes. Just 1 minute, few seconds, and everything is done. As you can see, it's already credited $20.84. Okay. And if you want to see the real thing, you can click on hide zero balances, so you can know that, okay, this is all I have. This is all I have. Only have USDT. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next one.